Hello students. Are you ready to embark on a journey to learn about trees, animals, and how we can protect our planet? Let's start by discussing deforestation. Deforestation is essentially the large-scale removal of trees from forests, which leads to turning these forested lands into non-forested areas for various uses. This process is predominantly driven by human activities and it has significant repercussions for our environment, biodiversity, and even the climate. Let's discuss why forests are being cut down. One of the major reasons is agriculture. As our global population grows, the demand for food rises, necessitating more land for farming, and thus forests are often cleared. Logging is another reason. Trees are felled for their timber, which is used in construction, furniture making, and paper production. Infrastructure development like roads, highways, and dams also requires clearing vast areas of forest. Mining activities, where forests are cleared to extract minerals and other underground resources, contribute to deforestation as well. Urbanization also plays a role. As cities expand, forests are cut down to create space for housing in industrial areas. Sometimes, natural phenomena like forest fires contribute to deforestation, but often these are exacerbated by human activities such as arson or careless burning. Additionally, the need for pasture for livestock and the demand for fuel wood and charcoal in developing countries leads to further forest clearance. The consequences of deforestation are dire. It leads to a loss of biodiversity as animals and plants lose their habitats, which might even push some species to extinction. Trees play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide, so without them, more of this greenhouse gas remains in the atmosphere, intensifying global warming. The absence of tree roots, which bind the soil together, makes the soil susceptible to erosion, depleting fertile topsoil. Furthermore, forests are integral to the water cycle, and their removal can disrupt local and regional climates. The loss of forests also means a reduction in ecosystem services such as pollination, water purification, and flood control. Indigenous communities that depend on forests for their livelihoods and cultural practices are adversely affected as well. Now, let's talk about conservation. It's crucial for maintaining ecological balance and ensuring the well-being of our planet. Governments establish protected areas like wildlife sanctuaries and national parks to preserve natural habitats and provide safe environments for wildlife. These areas restrict harmful human activities and are pivotal in biodiversity conservation, protecting various species and maintaining ecological processes. Conservation also involves strategies like creating wildlife corridors, which are essential for allowing animals to move freely between habitats, thus maintaining genetic diversity and ecosystem health. Planting new trees, afforestation, and restoring deforested areas, reforestation, are also important for combating the effects of deforestation and promoting sustainable forest management. Implementing sustainable forestry practices ensures that forest resources are used responsibly, preserving forests for future generations. Reducing human-wildlife conflicts, raising awareness through education, and supporting wildlife rehabilitation are also key aspects of conservation. Legal protections are necessary to combat poaching and illegal logging effectively. Moreover, the establishment of biosphere reserves plays a critical role. These are areas dedicated to the conservation of biodiversity, where the core zone is highly protected, the buffer zone allows for limited sustainable activities, and the transition zone supports sustainable practices by local communities. In addition to protected areas, understanding the flora and fauna, that is, the plants and animals of a region, is essential. Flora includes all plant life, from small mosses to towering trees, and plays a vital role in the ecosystem by providing oxygen and food. Fauna, which includes all animal life, contributes to ecosystem functions such as pollination and nutrient cycling. Both are deeply interconnected and essential for each other's survival. Special attention is also given to endemic species, which are unique to specific geographic areas and play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Preserving these species is vital for maintaining biodiversity and ecological stability. Threatened species, classified into categories like endangered or vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, require urgent conservation efforts to prevent extinction. This involves habitat protection, anti-poaching efforts, and public education to mitigate the impacts of human activities. The Red Data Book helps by listing all species at risk, providing crucial data to guide conservation efforts. It categorizes species based on their risk of extinction, helping to prioritize actions to save these species and their habitats. Remember, every small effort toward conservation counts. How about you try answering this question now? Could you name a creature that is classified as critically endangered? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 8 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.